Guten Morgen, guys. Today is an interesting day as I'm going on a little family vacation. So there's something more interesting about it which I'll tell you later, but first I need some clothes. Is the most important thing. Have to focus. Okay, cool. So I do travel light with my clothes, as you can see, but yeah, I do come with some baggage, which is my camera bag, and I'm happy to say that I need to start traveling around like a digital nomad, so I need my laptop because I edit videos now. Like, I'll share more about that in sometime soon. Sing, don't worry. Okay, anyway, so today we're going on a little family trip to Bodixon. It's the first time I've ever rented an Airbnb, the second time. But I'll tell you what's more interesting about this Airbnb as soon as we get there. But first, I think we're going to head to Seramban to get some lunch and then go to Bodixon. So see you there. So hi guys, right now we stopped for lunch and the Airbnb is actually just down the coast and we'll be checking in soon, and I will show you if this Airbnb is as beautiful as it appears. So this is the first floor, a small dining. Together with the living, I guess. It's a TV there, and we should call this bedroom number 1. Okay, that's literally maximizing space. Interesting. Okay, let's move on. Found our first toilet. Excuse me. Bedroom number 3. So this is the big dining kitchen, kitchen. And bedroom number 4. So this is the second floor. We have another kitchen and the second bathroom, which is the most important part. Okay, the most important thing is if it's clean. Yeah, it's alright. Got a small microwave, some utensils. Clearly it looks like somebody has stayed here for some time. This is the second living room upstairs and a small dining. I will call this bedroom number 3, I think, or 4. I'll put it down. 4 single beds, a small cupboard, and let's call this bedroom number 5. 1 queen, 1 single. just some basic furniture. So the most important part of this place is the balcony and the view downstairs. So as you can see, there's a caretaker there and he's going to fill up. That's a little wading pool. And the sea is right there. It's pretty nice.
No, when you go here, it won't come out.
Pour a little bit more water.
That's why I said to
What are you doing? your baju. Your baju. Little bit more, Devi. Your baju, Devi, dangerous. Why? Okay.
Pipeline, no? Not the platform. That is pipeline. Platform here is the operating jetty to process to the refinery. There are 2 ways refinery here. One is process, one is pressure.
It's a beautiful evening to do a bit of walk. So as you guys saw earlier, the guy was filling this little wading pool up with the salt water. Sunset's almost here. We're gonna take a quick walk to the beach there. But before that, let's have a chat. My face is so oily. I think it's a sunscreen and everything. Anyway, so behind me is the house. I should sit back a bit. It's literally a ground floor, first floor, and then they have the caretaker's place. So as you saw, it's very big. It's literally very big. I think they've maximized the space to sleep. Lots of single beds on planks, but it's decent lah. It's decent. However, I'm just not too happy with the cleanliness. It's got about an old school vibe, but it's a bit dusty here and there. Had to get the caretaker to mop the place and all that. But is this the best is this the best place for your money's worth? It's up to you, because if you want something with the sea right here and sunset and a little bit of pool and all that thing, then you got to pay a bit more lah. But there are cheaper options which may not accommodate 30 people, but yeah, that's that. So we're gonna continue karaoke and stuff. Okay, no, I'm not going to karaoke. Probably continue reading. Catch you at dinner then. Somebody fell down. So that's the house. And you take a quick walk. That's the beach right there. So it actually reminds me a lot of, maybe it's like it's just a small housing area by the coast. She's so happy now. Enough of talking.
Go inside the water, under the water.
Sure, uncle, buy new camera.
Okay, now walk in.
Okay, smile.
What is it?
You want mana?
It looks as if it's a house.
Put what song? Hindi song.
Which
Mine
song?
all Hindi song.
Teng 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 teng. जिंदगी eksafar है सुहाना क्या चल क्या हो किसी जाना जिंदगी eksafar है सुहाना क्या चल क्या हो किसी जाना ओरे 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 ओरे
Okay, wait, then.
Video.
No, it's a stabilizer. There's just one problem is that this place is for 30 people. TV is so freaking small to watch World Cup.
Say hi. Smile for the camera. Eee.
So good morning, guys. This a little quick wrap up before we say bye bye to the staycation is the selling point of this place is basically the outside. It's a very nice spot. It's got a small wading pool, a nice place to have breakfast, tea. But the interior, they really need to do a lot of work. For the price we pay, I think you can expect a bit more of comfort. You know, it's got a nice old vibe lah, but must touch up a bit. Another tip is, if you book via Airbnb, it's almost 1,008. So this is the first time I actually booked the place. Not the first time for this price, 1,008. I mean, we booked, but it's only got one review, so that was a scary part. So you can book directly with the owner, Suara Ombak, and you can get it for about 1,000 to 1,003. Maybe it's a lot more worth it now, 600 cheaper. And yeah, I don't know. The rest of them say no mosquitoes, but maybe I'm the only one with sweet blood, so I've got a lot of mosquito bites. But otherwise, yeah, it's outdoors. What do you expect? But even during sleeping too. Otherwise, it's been a great stay. Just a nice, pleasant stay at the seaside. So till we catch you next time then.
Cheers.
Cheers. Now all review is video.